School News Report. This is Abhay with the 2 p.m. news bulletin. First, the headlines. International. Argentina condemns British militarization in Falkland Islands. US jobless charts claim to fall down 367,000 in the latest week. Brazil now is the 6th largest economy in the world, says studies. Iran produces the first nuclear fuel rod. National. Crucial assembly elections begin in UP with Dalit icon Mayawati fighting for another term. Government Railway Police of Hyderabad have rescued 576 boys and 225 girls from railway stations of the state in 2011. Dhanush decodes the success of Kolavaredi to the students of Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. Tata Teleservices to file review petitions on Supreme Court on orders on 2G. Sports. Jadeja becomes the biggest bid of IPL 5 with $2 million. Sahara ends its Indian cricket team sponsorship after 11 years. John Terry will still play international football even after losing the captaincy of England. Now we have Ria with the international cover stories. Over to you.
US jobless charts claim to fall 367,000 in the latest week. Brazil now is the 6th economy in the world, says study. According to The Economist, the banking class of 2008 and the subsequent recession in UK moved the empire to the 7th place in 2011. Iran reduced the first nuclear fuel rod inserted into the core of Tehran's atomic research reactor after performance tests. This is Ria from the BBC School News Centre. Thank you. Handing over to Abhay.
Our correspondent Shreya had a chat with Dr. Varsha Godbole about the recent Vadodara half marathon. Here's the clip.
Good morning, ma'am. You were one of the participants of the recent Vadodara half marathon. So, what I want to know is what was the average age group of all the participants and what was the enthusiasm level you could see in them?
Well, they were divided according to the age groups. There were 16 to 20, 20 to 40 and above 40. And there were more than 40,000 participants. This is the first time so many people turned up for this marathon. This is the 3rd year we are hosting in Baroda. Yeah. And the enthusiasm was great. To see so many people on the road early in the morning at 5:36, more than 40,000 it was a great feeling.
So, in which age group had the most participants?
It was more in the age group of 20 to 30.
Which events did you participate in and what was your experience? How do you think, do you think everyone should participate in events like this?
Yes, I took part in 15 kilometers. I'm about 40, so, and I stood 11th in the age group of 20 above. So
that's a good position.
Yes. I took less than 2 hours to finish 15 kilometers.
That's good.
And as I said, people were there from all walks of life. There were doctors, there were housewives, there were children, there were college students.
The school's trustee, Mrs. Nandita Ben Amin, shares some sweet memories about her mother, Mrs. Savita Ben Amin, with our correspondent Shruti.
Good morning, ma'am. We are from the BBC School News Centre and we are here to talk about the sad demise of Mrs. Savita Ben Amin. So, you are her daughter, so you are the one who knows almost everything about her. So, what are the best qualities she had that people would remember her by?
Okay, first of all, good morning. And just a little background about her. She did her master's in education from the Columbia Education School in New York, and she was greatly influenced by the Gandhian movement, in which she participated during the independence movement of 1942. That left a great impact on her, and a social responsibility was ingrained in her from that time.
Great. And what would you do to pay a tribute to her life?
Well, continue with what she started and keep making it grow. Maybe have other institutions where we work for the girl child, which was very dear to her, for women, and of course for children whom she loved. So whatever I can possibly do in these three fields, plus the arts and culture, which were very close to her because of the influence of Shanti Niketan, where she did 1.5 years. So I think basically if we carry that forward, that would be a great tribute to her.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
So this is all we had to talk with Nandita Amin. Thank you. And I'm Shruti with camera person Shreya from BBC School News Center.
That's all for today. This is Abhay signing off from BBC School News Report.